In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a multi-project Jira board, step by step. This is extremely useful if you're working across multiple teams or projects and want a single board to track everything in one place. Instead of constantly switching between projects, you'll be able to see all your work at a glance, drag and drop issues, and manage progress much more efficiently. This setup works great for Scrum and Kanban workflows. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Jira and software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open Jira in your browser. Make sure you're logged in to the Jira account that has access to the projects you want to include in your board. Once Jira loads, you should be on your main dashboard. This is where you can access all your projects, boards, and recent activity. If you don't see your projects yet, don't worry. As long as you have permission, they can still be added later when creating the board. Next, look at the left-hand menu and click on your space, then navigate to Boards. From here, click on the Create button. This is where Jira allows you to create new boards, including boards that can pull issues from more than one project. When the Create Board option opens, you'll be able to choose the board type depending on your workflow, such as Scrum or Kanban. Select the option that best fits how your team works. Now, when Jira asks you to choose the project or projects, this is where the multi-project setup happens. You can select more than one project or use a saved filter that includes multiple projects. This allows your board to display issues from different projects all in one place. You can repeat this process and create as many boards as you want, each with different project combinations depending on how you want to organize your work. Once your board is created, you'll see all the issues from the selected projects appear on the board. From here, you can start managing your tasks just like a normal Jira board. You can drag and drop tasks between columns to update their status, prioritize work, and visually track progress across all included projects. This makes it much easier to coordinate work without jumping between multiple boards. If you need to clean things up, remove tasks, or manage issues directly, click on any issue to open it. From there, click on the three-dot menu. This menu gives you additional options, such as editing or deleting the issue, depending on your permissions. Use this carefully, especially when working with multiple projects, to avoid removing something important by accident. And that's it. You've successfully created a multi-project Jira board and learned how to manage tasks across different projects in one unified view. This setup can save you a lot of time and improve visibility for your entire team. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Jira guides and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.